Most of us have wondered about mysterious places on Earth, and the best part is the world never ceases to surprise you. Sometimes it's even better to marvel at many unsolved mysteries and unexplained wonders. Let's see few of these mysterious places which are surrounded by us. Gate to Hell or Door to Hell. There was a gas crater, most commonly known as Door to Hell, and is born still today. It is a natural gas field which collapsed in 1971. Geologists intentionally set into a fire to prevent the spread of methane gas, and it is thought to be burning continuously since 1971. The Darwaza area is very well rich in natural gas. While drilling in 1971, the ground beneath the drilling rig collapsed, leaving a large hole with diameter 70 meters. While geologists large hole have hoped the fire would consume the fuel in a few days. The gas is still burning nearly 59 years. The, the Eternal Flame Fall. It is a small waterfall which is located in Shake Creek Preserve, a small section of Chestnut Ride Park in West New York. A small grotto at the waterfall base which emits natural gas, and which can be lit to produce a small flame. This flame is visible nearly year-round, although it can be extinguished and must occasionally be relighted. Eternal Flame Falls, featuring a small natural gas-filled flame that burns behind the waterfall, and this is one of the most tourist attracting place. And if you are an interested person in photographer, do have a visit and take a beautiful picture of this eternal flame fall. Blood Red Waterfall. 5 million years ago, sea level rose, flooding East Antarctica and forming a salty lake. Millions of years later, glaciers formed on top of the lake, cutting it off from rest of the continent, monitoring that the water in Blood Fall is sometimes an aqueous time collapse preserves for 400 meters underground. As the glaciers on top of the lake began to freeze, the water below becomes even saltier. Researchers' team calculate that the brine water lakes approximately 1.5 million to finally reach Blood Fall as it makes its way through the Fraser and Channel in Glacier. Today, salt content of subglacial lake under Blood Fall is 3 times saltier than seawater. Lake Abraham. It is an artificial lake and Alberta's largest reservoir. Trapped methane causes frozen bubbles to form under the ice on lake surface. This phenomenon results when decaying plants on the lake bed releases methane gas, which creates bubbles that become trapped within ice, just below the surface as the lake brings to freeze. Because of high and sudden wind and wave action, submerged rock and glacier cold water, Abraham Lake is not suitable for boating and swimming. Combined with clear blue water have made Abraham Lake a popular destination for photographer and natural observation. This phenomena happens only on winter season, and in summer it's normally a perfect lake. Socotra, also known as most alien looking place on earth. The island measures 132 kilometers in length. Because of its extreme isolation from other land masses, Socotra have very unique plant life, a third of which can be found nowhere else in world. Not only on plant are endemic, but birds found nowhere else. Three of the most notable species are the endemic dragon blood tree, the Sakutra cucumber tree, and Sakutra desert rose or bottle tree. People visit this place and take photography. And if you are a person interested in photography, do have a visit and explore the alien world. Spotted Lake. Canadian water starts to evaporate in summer. Hundreds of huge bridge pools are left behind, leaving a polka dotted landscape of yellow, green, and blue spots. The colorful pools are the results of high concentration of minerals including calcium, sodium sulfate, and magnesium sulfate that has been collected in the water. The mineral and the collection of salt have run off from surrounding hills. The various colors depends on the concentration of minerals in each pool. This pool appears to be normal during summer, but this happens only during winter when the lake freezes. Crooked Forest. The Crooked Forest is a grove of oddly shaped pine trees located near the town of Poland. This grove of 400 pines was planted in a village of New Kron. Bends at the trunk and some extend outward around 3 to 9 feet before zipping back up into the air. The tree around 50 feet high at the tallest were probably damaged at an early age, causing them to permanently grow this way. The tree curves into shape, bending from 3 all the way up to 9 feet side away before curving back to grow straight up from this. And it's one of the most unique places because all the trees in these places are appears to be happen in C shape. Devil's Bridge, man-made bridge that was made over a lake in Cromalu Park. The arched bridge is designed to create a perfect circle when it reflects into a still water. It's also known as Devil's Bridge due to belief that the magical circle must be the hands of a devil. It was believed in olden days that a lady used to stand on top of the bridge, always appearing as a devil, while a person reflection can be seen as upside down in the still water. Nowadays, this kind of bridge can be found everywhere, and this bridge was one of the popular bridges during the olden age. Racetrack. Death Valley National Park. The racetrack is a place of storming beauty and mystery. Racetrack is a play of dry lake bed, best known for its strange moving rock. Racetrack, where rocks are on the move of stone, some as big as basketball, travel in a straight line, curves, or even circle, leaving tracks imprint on the mud. Then they stop suddenly as if commanded by unseen reef. There must be weather, rain, or steep, flavored by extreme winds racing across the plain. The wind pushes the rock across the mud, crawling the surface with tracks up to 1,500 feet long that last for months or until the next rain.